Good afternoon. I'm Dr. Padmini Panigrahi, a resident of Odisha, and by profession, I'm an entrepreneur, an artist, and a social worker. And my most important thing from the childhood days, I'm a passionate artist, like dancer and singer, and professionally into business industry, into automobile sector. But today, in front of all of you, I would like to describe or narrate or share few things about my social work part, and that always there within my, and how it was started, how I came into this field. Those are my real journey. As all of you know, other speakers have already spoken about the butterfly effect. What is a butterfly effect? We face it in each and every field of our life, starting from our family, in the business, in any organization. At times that happen in each and everyone's life. A sudden, unpredictable change. Then suddenly one will turn his her career growth. Maybe suddenly someone change his mind and enter into somewhere. Many students left studying engineering or management, not because something is there. It's a sudden change. That is the butterfly effect. How it affect your life, your career, your organization, and transform you completely into other person, that how much it affect, and later on it will lead you to success. I think, as per my opinion, it's a very common thing we face, that each of us face in our life. Let me explain you how small thing in a collaborative manner, if we collectively start a small. I always try to believe starting a small thing in a collective way. What happened if you start small? Definitely we will think big, but we can start small with one person or two-person or three-person. We will share our idea. We can start small, and together how we'll reach into the success. Let's start. Let me explain you what about my experience, how my journey started entering into NGOs and into social work. Once in the year 1915, myself and I.S. Monisa Banerjee, we both are invited to as a guest into a event. There I met very young students like you, might be their age, all are below 22 or 23, very young. Most of them are from diploma holders, engineers. They have organized one event, and then after the event, I discuss with them, what are you exactly doing here? No, ma'am, we have started, we wanted to work something, some fruitful thing. So we don't have any idea. Then we thought of organizing an event. Then I asked, then, are you all a member, or do you have anything like otherwise, or else why you have started this function? It's so expensive to set a stage and invite different guests. Why you are after all these things? There are 6, 7 students. They just passed out the diploma course around 21, 22. They told, ma'am, we really want to do something for the society. Then I asked them, what you do in day-to-day life? They told, whenever any event occur, people invite us and for the distribution of excess food. Then told, so we thought of setting such kind of something like that. Then after 2 days, they came to me. We have started a registered farm, a trust, that named Dream Team Foundation. We don't have any idea, neither me, neither all the young students. We don't have any idea what to do, how to start. Then we go through all the official procedure. I sit with my officials in the office. I take help of my chartered accountant, how to go, how to register. I don't have any idea about NGOs. There only in that function, I met one girl performing on the stage who lost both of her legs from the childhood. Then I interacted a little bit. Her name is Julie. Julie, where is your parents? Then she told, ma'am, my father left my mother and we are two sisters. That is why he left my mother. Then I am unable to stop my emotions. Then I thought, why I am here, what I am doing. I'm just going to office serving only my family, my parents, my family, my children. That is why I'm here. Like this, one day I will die. Then people will forget me. What is my contribution? Then it gives like a butterfly effect. That day, my total thought changed. I was also like peculiar, particularly businessman family. I'm moving in a car, and with only my life is in a different channel. I am an artist. I share platform with people are taking selfie with me. People are praising me. When I saw that what this is the reality, how people are living, how they are struggling each and every day in each and every step. I pick her, I hold her in that event. From that day, I thought of at least I will try to do whatever I will not go to any event tirelessly. I work for 1 year without singing, without dancing, anything. Then we found the Dream Team Foundation. Slowly, every day there you will receive a call after 12 o'clock. Then after, we put in the social media the working hour, but no one will call before 11:30. And lunchtime generally our work start at night after 10. So it is not a like one thing you have any fixed time. You will work 8 to 9 o'clock or any official time. 24 hour. Our service is open 24 hour. Then we go to different doorsteps, festival and pujas. We collect food and we don't keep it or refrigerate it. And we go through a test. We go through a taste. Directly we taste there whether the food are good or spoiled. Then we distribute immediately in different orphanages, in different slums. As you all of know, the eastern part, the people, they eat non-vegetarian food. So there is one NGO and they generally don't collect and their response was very bad. So literally we start working on them. At times we receive 10, 11 calls a day. Like we have to clean the utensil, then the vehicle will rush. That is started. Then the first, I donate a vehicle from my side and other members we contribute. Till date we have never taken any sponsorship from the any government, so we independently organize that. And slowly after a few years, 2 3 years, it's become a very popular name from word of mouth, as you all management students know that. Then in the year 2019, the government saw our work. The Rourkela Municipal Corporation, they invited us to join together. We can think better, we can work better. Like that, we start the project Punanjali started in the year 2019. We joined hand with RMC. Then the COVID period started, and with that, we tirelessly work from 2020 March. Every day, I used to visit each and every slum tirelessly for 6 months without fail. Then I see what are their problem. The other team member, they associated with the government. We distribute food to almost more than 1,80,000 people. And with that, we tie up with good OTV. Everyone knows in Odisha, it's the number one television channel. They approached us with them also. we distributed in the second phase to different patients nearby to different hospitals. With that, we started working on children too, and that too with special children. We organize one function that is named Utsaha every year. And between that, we collaborate with various orphanages, various blind schools, deaf and dumb schools, physically challenged schools near and around the district. In the state of Orissa, there is only 2 projects now working on these children. We are among one of them. And food project is going on with government, and it is the only project in the state which was recognized, and we have already received the national award on food project. So it is that after we received the award, all the team members, as all of you know, the world became stagnant in the during the COVID time. With that also, we start working with the Utsaha project. We keep on visiting to different school. We organize functions and other activities with those children with full precaution. Then that after the we receive the award, all the team members they get boost up, and they all many NGOs now 2 NGOs join us in the Utsaha project. Since then we are working on the special children. We promote them. I too perform with them in various stages. We provide them stage. Then among them, one girl, she has already received national platforms in front of Prime Minister or President. She has already performed. She has performed in various television channel. Now she is independent. Another blind girl, she has also selected in state level song competition. We pick different talents, we encourage them, and we provide them platform. Then recently we have started working on a project last year only, Atmiya. That is only for the elderly and those who have been abandoned from their families and they don't have any children. Already 4 person they have contact, they have connect with us, and they are with them. We have started collaborating with a nearby temple community temple. With the temple committee, we are started with 4. It was under construction. We have started 5 rooms because they 4 person are already there. From small we have a long vision mission, so that let's hope it everything depends on the Almighty and God's wish. If time will permit, definitely within 4-5 years, we will set up the old age home, the project Atmiya. So this is the journey. Is all of you know what is business? Is all of you are here from the management stream? You all know what is business? The exchange of good and services to make profit. When you do your profit, you are a business person, and when you are a business or startup, when you make profit, then you are a successful businessman, or that is a success. You are successful. I am successful because I am making profit. When your profit add combined with any kind of value addition by taking care of all the stakeholders or all the community or all the members in any organization, that is value added profit. I think for me, when you do the value addition profit with giving back to the society, that will leads to a meaningful value added success. I hope so. For me, that gives a different self satisfaction beyond your professional career. Because I work in my office, I work for the society. You have to balance, I work for the family. We have to balance everything in our life. We are born, God has given us one birth. What we are doing? So we must giving back to the society that will give us a meaningful life, and ultimately that's lead to success. We can start small from a very small thing. in the beginning, we can start small. Then we will stay together collectively and will coordinate with each other. This is a long process. This middle part is always long. You have to keep patience for that. Then you will work together like we work in a team, and definitely that will lead to success. Thank you.